So, hi, Naga Padmini. I would like to welcome you as our esteemed speaker on behalf of AI Test Fest and Agile Testing Alliance, that is ATA. So, without delay, I just want you to introduce yourself, tell a little bit about yourself.
Hi, Abhay. Thank you so much for having me on board. I'm Nagpadmini Racha. You can call me Padmini. So I have around close to 15 years of experience in IT industry, and I am primarily working as an agile coach and project manager. But earlier to this, I had worked as technical lead, automation tester, agile coach, product owner, scrum master. So my experience comes from multiple domains like technology, people, process, and product domains. So I have this fortunate thing that I could work in multiple areas. Yeah.
That sounds an interesting journey. Thank you so much for introducing yourself. And Cutie, can you please put some light on your topic which you are going to talk about in our conference AI Test Fest?
Yeah, sure. So for the test first, what I'm speaking about is the AI powered quality management across product life cycle. So in my 15 years of career, what I've observed is whenever we are working with the client or any developing any products or services, focus is more on the deliverables, the schedules and timelines, and somewhere we miss out the quality of the deliverable or the product which we are trying to deliver. So I think quality is a very, very important aspect along with the actual, output what we are delivering. So that's why I've chosen this topic, that how do we, leverage AI for the quality management aspects across the product life cycle. And most of the time, people just focus on the product development and product delivery. But when you talk of product life cycle, it is beyond delivery, meaning like once you introduce your product into the market, then it starts growing and then there's a maturity phase and then maybe it starts decline. So overall these spaces also we need quality management. There are a lot of activities which go there into quality. And how do we leverage AI across these uh, life cycle phases? So that's what my session is about.
Sounds interesting. Surely looking forward to it. And now, AI is a buzzword in the market. What do you think? How AI will help us to change the world, or it's already changing the world on a very broader level? What do you think about it?
I think we are currently living in the intelligent age, as what it is called. So AI has already changed our ways of working at workplace, and not just in our professional lives, but also in our personal lives. Yeah, it's affecting us a lot, right? So when it comes to, every walk of life, it has changed, and we need to embrace AI for the betterment of our lives. But at the same time, I think it's important we have this human in the loop concept, because there are times when AI can also be misunderstood, or maybe it will not generate the correct results or appropriate results. So you might need an human in the loop concept so that we use it appropriately.
Okay, yeah. Uh, s- yes, you are right. In the changing world of AI, everywhere is AI. So let's see what outcome comes up when we all come together on a stage and talk about AI on 22nd March. So that is about technical things. So tell us more about what do you do in your free time, leisure time, means basically what all are your hobbies except except checking these new technical things in the world, technologies, and thinking about AIs, chat GPT, Gen AI, these things. What all things keeps you going, means apart from this technical world?
Okay. So, coming from different domains, as I said, apart from technology, because I'm even from people process domains. So, most of the time, I don't try to differentiate between personal and professional lives, because now it is, especially after the pandemic, it is very, very, closely coupled and all. It overlaps a lot. So whenever I get time, I go through a lot of, TEDx videos. I try to read a lot. I read some books specifically into, fiction, and also some technical books. You said not to term it, but I do read that. But also I watch a lot of web series, specifically from K drama, C drama, and other cultures, because it helps me a lot, to understand their perspective of
Okay,
this.
so you are a K-drama person as well as the different genre means drama as well as in the books you are doing, you read fiction.
Yep. Yeah. So this is apart from the technology, what you just asked. Yeah. So it helps me a lot to understand the different, cultures, diversities, and helps me in having an inclusive mindset.
Okay. Thank you so much, Nagapadmini. Eagerly looking for your session on 22nd March in AI Test Fest at Gurgaon Nagaro Hive. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much
Yeah.
for your time.
Looking forward to joining there. Yeah. Thank you, sir.